Have you ever wondered how to make a YouTube video that stands out and gets noticed? Well, the first step is to choose a topic that you are passionate about and that will resonate with your audience. Once you have your topic, it's time to gather your equipment, including a good quality camera, microphone, and lighting. Next, write a script or outline to keep your video focused and engaging. When it comes time to film, make sure to speak clearly, be natural, and use a variety of shots to keep your viewers engaged. After filming, it's time to edit your video using software like Final Cut Pro or Adobe Premiere to add in music, text, and special effects. Finally, don't forget to create an eye-catching thumbnail and write a compelling title and description to help your video get discovered. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to making a successful YouTube video.